What is Zoom Live Transcription? It provides an automated, reasonably good transcribing of voice to text of the Zoom audio you would hear. You just enable it to show as captions at the bottom of the Zoom application screen. This video will demonstrate turning on live transcription as a Comox Valley ElderCollege lecture participant. Hover the mouse cursor over the Zoom application to show the control bar at the bottom. Notice the CC Show Captions button. If your application window is sized too small, the Captions and Show Captions command will be hidden within the More. Click on the CC Show Captions button. Closed captioning transcript words will now appear. If the letters are too small, click the little up chevron within the CC button and choose Caption Settings. In the pop-up, use the slider to adjust the font size. See the sample shown underneath. Close the pop-up and the font size will be changed. To turn off closed captions, click the button that is now relabeled CC Hide Captions. Thank you for watching.